Hey vlog, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome to another vlog. It is your girl NERIAHNICKOLEE back to you with another video. So I just wanted to introduce the vlog before my phone died. We are actually heading to Orlando for the weekend. Don't ask me why, but we are actually on the way to Orlando. So I just wanted to introduce the vlog, of course, before my phone died. We are with Miss Nevaeh, obviously, in the background, and yeah, that's the vibe. So I will check in with y'all when we get there and get settled. I really just wanted to start the vlog and get it going. Deuces. Hey vlog. So we finally made it to Orlando. We're sitting at Burger King. It's currently 11:55 at night. We are exhausted. I'm tired. My daughter's asleep. But we are very hungry. So Burger King is the only thing around here that's open. We are in the Walt Disney World area, so everything is just packed to the T. We've been in line for like 30 minutes and we haven't even ordered yet. So yeah, that's kind of the vibe. I am so tired. But yeah, y'all probably not hear from me again tonight, but of course I will check in with you guys tomorrow. I'm so tired. I'll apply the concealer on my part, but I used a lot of concealer that's too light, so it looks ugly. We are 2 cars. I'm so tired, y'all. But good night. Guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, which is Saturday, April 10th. April 10th or the April 11th? Oh, God. Oh, my God, I'm so sleepy, Jesus. Yeah, I'm so tired. Okay, sleep.
And he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through cool water. Eating like I'm underworld. Hide my tattoos in Shibuya. Police think I'm up the underworld. 12 treat a nigga like he 12. How you looking up to me and talking down? Can't you see I am the big man? God level, I am the I am. I'm filming with the drone cam in the pic like killer kill. Zone when I stick, no way. Also close, I'm on that kill. Controller on your lower back, yeah, it's good. Nigga roll the eyes back in, let's go. Rollin', ride. Rollin' when you ride. I won. Yeah, acting dirty like some dirty like the God. 2016 rushing this. 2017 ideas playing on the wall. This is cold, not a click on a nigga with a cup in a cup. Agony. That's a double edge, it's a knife. I don't like to fight, I'm fighting. Revenge in the air make my lungs sick. Chopping in the sky like a country. Clips on clips like Mike. It's really all. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. It's really you on my mind. It's really you on my mind. It's really you. It's really you on my mind. See both sides of the 12. See both sides of the L. Free smoke rings in their hell. Sleep, no grind for the well. Whole team diamonds is real. Show them how to shine by themselves. Need a co-sign for your help. I need that bitch to grind on my belt. I know you need to drive for my belt. I know you see the drive in the cell. Don't act like on the ride cause it's stale, but it's stale. I see both sides like Chanel. I see both sides like Chanel. My pockets know they can't hold myself.
Hey vlog. Good morning. It is the next day. It is Saturday. I'm just now leaving the room. I don't know where they're at, but yes, I don't know what we're doing today, y'all. We ain't doing shit today, honestly. We're just here. Like I said, there's really no reason for us to fucking be here. But I kind of want to show y'all my dress. Yes. Big titty vibes. Oh my God, he's calling me. Hey, vlog. So we've made it to this sub place. Hold on, I wanted to throw this trash out first. That's what I was showing. Come here, Nerea. Over here, over here. Yes, baby. Okay, you gotta use the bathroom? Okay. Okay, so hey vlog, what's good? I can finally speak now. We are currently, we're sitting here on the corner. We're literally right on the corner of Orange Avenue in downtown Orlando. We're sitting here eating at this Guy Rose and Sub place that's just really cute on the corner. So that's really the vibe right now. This little seating area is so cute. We're right outside. It is pretty early and it looks like it's only one person in there, so we're gonna be waiting for our food. I just got a sub, but my boyfriend really loves gyros, so so yeah, that's currently our vibe right now. I thought I'll just check in with you guys. I feel so cute. I feel like I'm like, you know, a little like showgirl in California. Dress is from Pretty Little Thing, of course. I really like it. I wish I got it in a size 2X, but I really wish I would have gotten a 1X because it's a little too big. Oh my God, I need some lotion. Yeah, it's a little too big, so yeah. Currently the vibe right now. So yeah. They're inside waiting. I'm gonna get his phone and like try to snap a few pictures really quick because I feel somewhat cute with this background. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys when we get our food to let you know if it's worth it or not. My little food review. See your phone.
And he got five stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through water. Eating like I'm underworld. Like my tattoos in Shibuya. Police think I'm up the underworld. 12 treat a nigga like he 12. How you looking up to me and talking down? Can't you see I am the big man? God level, I am the I am. I'm filming with the drone cam in the pick like killer kills. Zone when I stick, no way. I'm so close, I'm on that kill. Controller on your lower back, yeah, it's good. They can roll the eyes back in, let's go. Rolling, ride. Rolling when you ride. I won. Yeah, acting dirty like some dirty back to God. 2016 rushing this. 2017 ideas playing on the wall. This is cold, not a click on it. With a cup, in a cup, agony. That's a double edge, it's a knife. I don't like to fight, I'm fighting. Revenge in the head makes my lungs sick. Chopping in the sky like a country. Clips on clips like Mike. It's really all. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. It's really you on my mind. It's really you on my mind. It's really you. It's really you on my mind. See both sides of the 12. See both sides of the L. Free smoke rings in their hell. Sleep, no grind for the well. Whole team diamonds is real. Show them how to shine by themselves. I need a cosign for your help. I need that bitch to grind on my belt. I know you need to try for my.
Good morning, vlog. What's good? What's poppin'? It's Sunday. So yesterday I didn't really talk to y'all. I ain't even gonna flex. Yesterday I really didn't even talk to y'all. I hung out with my good Judy Nigerian, real good friend from school. So I went and hung out with him for a little bit. Then we came back to the hotel, girl. I went to sleep. And then we got takeout at Buffalo Wild Wings, and we just came back. And yeah, that was pretty much my day yesterday. What else did I do? Did I check in with y'all yesterday? Oh my God, I don't even know if I checked in with y'all. Anywho, that was my day yesterday. It wasn't nothing big at all, nothing extravagant. We just hung out with my friend and got some food and chilled. So today's Sunday, it's the vibe. Unfortunately, we're leaving as always. But I did want to do like a small room tour. We're staying at the Courtyard by Marriott, by Lake Buena Vista. So we are by the Disney World area. It's crazy because it was April 11th. My daughter's birthday is literally like in a month. So honestly, within like 2 weeks, we're coming back up here on May 1st to do our photo shoot. And then it's her birthday. So that will be very exciting. But in the meantime, y'all, we ain't doing shit. I am going to do like a small room tour once we clean up and everything because we're getting ready to head out. And then, yeah, I guess I'll check in with y'all later. I told y'all these vlogs going to be lame as fuck. And then I know my vlog that I got to edit today, I got to go home and edit today, is going to be lame. Okay, so, but yeah, here's the vibe. Checking with y'all later. Hey vlog, so we are headed to Chili's, I think, to go eat. Really? Area of Champions Gate, Florida. It's really nice here. Really nice and upscale, and yeah, we're about to go eat. So yeah, I thought I'd check in with y'all. Might look at a few apartments, you know. Really not doing shit, y'all. Really not doing nothing.
There's no one else ever hold me like you do. There's no one.
Yeah. Thank you. Where's the lamp?
I don't know.
The bag, get up.
Who's your first?
No, he's scared. What are you doing?
Okay, what's up?
What are you doing?
Sit over here, Nevaeh.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Sit over there, get in.
I want to take the baby one.
Circle what you want.
Right.
Circle it. Put
Two
red.
things.
Circle one right here on this in green, and then you circle one in orange.
Can I get a menu?
Cheese pizza.
Okay. And you circle one over here. Use green. Use green. Use green.
Come through quality. I actually like how this look. So we made it to Chili's. The lady here is so nice. She actually told us that she works at Disney, so she may hook us up with some Disney information, because I know that I want to eat at Disney for sure for Nevaeh's birthday. So yeah, any feedback there. I did get a frozen margarita, so I'm very excited and waiting for that to come.
I'm winning, Daddy.
Nevaeh, FYI, this is Nevaeh's favorite restaurant, only because of the games on the little fucking kiosk thing. But that's why we're here. And we literally got here at like 11 o'clock when they opened. So we were literally the first family to come in here. But now it's been about 20 minutes and like 6 different people done walked in. So they know what time it is. But yeah, that's kind of the vibe. I did record the hotel room, but I did not talk over it. I'm gonna have to like do a little voice over to that, because it was just too hectic. I was taking a shower yesterday and it just pretty much like sweated off my head, so I was like, fuck it. But yeah. This shit is so fucking good.
No, wait.
This is good. I didn't know you can request a margarita frozen.
No, you're not.
This shit is good.
I'm gonna win.
Nope.
And he got right stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through